What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I am leaving work. I have filmed this video. This is the third time today, and I can't put my phone up in the dock because the last two videos I filmed up there, it was like vibrating and shaking and making this buzzing noise, and I couldn't stand it. So I deleted them and I'm starting over, so I'm just gonna hold my phone while I'm driving. Probably not the safest thing, but anyways. Also, please excuse my messed up hair and red face. I have been pulling my hair out and stressing over the stupid test work I'm doing right now at work. It is so confusing and over my head, and I'm losing my mind over it. So that's what I was working on right before I started filming this when I got in the car, but that's not why you guys tuned in. Also, my in-charge has the stomach bug because her daughter gave it to her, and I'm stressing that I'm gonna get the stomach bug, so I was a little on edge all day. But that's also not why you guys tuned in today. So happy December 11th, and which is such an insignificant day to everybody, unless it's your birthday. Unless you took the CPA exam and you're waiting for your test results to get posted, of which me and probably you. So, finally got my results back from the 4th audit exam. If you're just now tuning in with me and you have not been following along my CPA journey, then what a good way to start, because I took audit 4 times. I started studying for that audit exam, y'all, January 2nd, 2018. It is now December 11th, 2018, okay? All year, 1 exam. I did happen to squeeze in reg in there in July. I got the results back in October for that exam. I had passed it the first time around. That was a miracle from God himself. Hashtag blessed. Anyways, so this morning I woke up at 5 for work, per usual, and I checked the test results to see if they were posted, not actually expecting them to be posted. Or I would have done a reaction video like I've always done. I've always checked them on the computer while I'm filming so you guys can see my initial reaction, and they were posted. So I found out at 5 this morning that I finally passed audit, you guys.
Finally!
It's like one thing to fail it and you're like, okay, you know, the test sucked, let me retake it. And then the retake, if you fail it, you're like, okay, 3rd time's a charm. But to fail it
3 times!
Y'all, I am an auditor. This is my full-time profession, okay? I do work in government and we use GASB standards, not FASB, so that is very different. But either way, the concept of what I do at work is audit. Traffic looks worse than usual. It's also getting darker, so I gotta hurry up and get this video done. So I am obviously very, very excited. I'm also super relieved because I am so overstudied for that audit exam. But what I have learned through the other sections, like I picked up reg and it wasn't miserable. I don't like taxes. I don't care for taxes. I don't care to understand taxes. That's not my thing. It's not why I like accounting. Screw taxes. It's very confusing. But it wasn't miserable. It made sense. It was logical. Once you memorize the tax stuff, you kind of get a hang of it. So I did naturally okay with reg. I was very thankful for that because I'm a terrible test taker. And then now I'm studying for BEC right now. I'm in the 3rd unit in Becker, and there's 6 units, so I'm almost halfway done. And y'all, it sucks. It is so hard. Like, no one talks about BEC because it's so short. They just take it and get done with it. But holy crap, it is miserable so far. I have redone the 1st and 2nd units completely from scratch, started over because I was so lost and had no idea what's going on. Right now it's finance based, and I did not do well in finance regardless of my accounting major. I did not minor in finance like a lot of people do. I am not a fan of finance. It's not my thing. A lot of things are not my thing if you can't tell. But cost accounting is my thing. I really enjoy job costing, process costing, activity-based costing, all of that kind of accounting. Do not honk at me, dude. You saw me coming over. Cost accounting, managerial accounting, that people call it. I really enjoy that. So that is the unit I'm in right now for BEC. And so far it's going okay. So knock on wood, I am thankful for that because finance basically chewed me up and spit me out. So anyways, so BEC is a struggle. I have not attempted FAR whatsoever. I did actually do the first 2 or 3 modules of the 1st unit, like way back in March, and was like, what the heck is this stuff? And I closed the book and was like, I'm gonna do reg instead because I had no idea. So I'll pick far up at the very end once I master how to take the CPA exam. It is very different from any other exam I've ever taken before. It is very hard and difficult and a lot of the same right answers. But anyways, for this audit exam, I did feel okay about it when I left. I felt like the score was going to be very close. Either way, like I felt like I would have scored a 73 or like a 78 or something, you know, within that range. I will link the video up here somewhere of when I left the audit exam, going into the last audit exam and leaving it. Also on my YouTube channel, I have taken that exam 4 times. So there are several videos talking about the audit exam. If you're trying to prepare for it, watch any of those videos. I've taken it so many times. Ask me anything you want. NASBA's probably like, finally get this girl out of here. We can't keep changing up the exam like that. So I did happen to score an 82, which is better than I expected. I didn't expect to get an 80 on any of the exams. I'm a very like, try my best, and my 100% effort is a 75 to most people. So I'm very happy and thrilled with that. Also, my coworker took the audit exam and failed it. He took it for the 2nd time, so that kind of stinks. It was kind of hard too because I wanted to celebrate all day today, and he failed it. So I just kept to myself, which is like the opposite of when everyone else around me passes these things, and I'm sitting here failing it, so they don't want to say anything and, you know, hurt my feelings or whatever. But I became numb to that audit exam. By the end of it, I was like, whatever. Whichever way it goes, I'll retake if I have to. Also, each exam is $287 each, so round that up to $300, means I spent a little less than $1,200 in exam fees taking that stupid audit exam. Just audit alone. My company, the organization I work for, does not pay for that. All that they paid for was $1,500 towards a study program, which I lucked out and got a dang good deal with Becker. I got 50% off of its retail value, and then my organization paid for $1,500 of it, so I was only out of pocket about $400. So I was very thankful for that. It was good timing. It was like a Christmas sale last year. But my software expires this June, so I better get my crap together and get BC and FAR done so I don't have to go out of pocket a bunch more. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging with me during this CPA journey. I hope that you guys pass, and I wish you all good luck on your future exams. Please comment below any questions you have about the exams or about audit or the CPA or anything. Or if you guys want me to do any specific video that has to deal with the CPA, comment down below, let me know. I apologize, I've been slacking a little on my channel. We have been working a ton. And this week we're finally going down on overtime. We went down 5 hours. So we're only working 5 hours over, which is really not that bad. But I'm just like mentally drained and exhausted. We work 10-hour days every day. I'm a 30-minute commute, hour lunch, so I'm gone about 13 hours a day. It's hard to fit in studying, but I'm not the only one. There's lots of full-time employees out there, especially y'all that do tax season while studying. Y'all's crazy. I ain't working near amount that public firms do during tax season. But anyways, just thinking about that gives me anxiety. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. So I didn't mention the obvious. I am halfway done with the CPA exams. I have not taken FAR yet, so you can consider that what you want. But officially today, I'm halfway done. You guys, best feeling in the world. 10/10 recommend you do your best and get to where I'm at, because that feels pretty cool. What are you doing, honey?